In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a page in Wix. Whether you're tidying up your website or making way for new content, knowing how to remove unnecessary pages is a useful skill you'll want to have. So let's dive in and make this process as effortless as possible. First, we begin by navigating to wix.com and heading over to the setup page. Make sure you're logged into your Wix account. If you're not already signed in, you'll want to enter your credentials to gain access to your dashboard. Now that we're in, you'll be greeted with a visual overview of all your sites. Here, take a moment to identify and select the specific site you want to modify. This step is crucial as many users often manage multiple sites, and choosing the correct one will ensure you're making edits to the intended webpage. Once you've successfully selected your site, it's time to open the Wix editor, the section of the dashboard that allows you to make changes and customizations to your website. In the Wix editor, focus your attention on the left-hand panel. You'll see an option labeled Pages and Menu. Click on that to reveal a list of all the pages that are currently part of your website. Now that you have your pages in view, pinpoint the specific page you wish to delete. This is an important step, so take your time to ensure that you're selecting the correct one. One tip is to double-check the page content if you're unsure, just to confirm you're not accidentally removing the wrong page. With your intended page selected, look for a small icon resembling 3 dots or ellipses, which indicates additional options or settings. Clicking on this will bring up a context menu with various actions you can take. In this menu, you'll notice the option to delete. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking delete, Wix is going to be thoughtful enough to prompt you with a confirmation message. This serves as a final checkpoint to ensure you definitely want to remove that page from your site. So, if everything checks out, click delete once more to confirm, and just like that, the page is gone. By following these steps, you can easily declutter your website, ensuring that it remains both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Remember, when you delete a page, it's removed permanently from your live site, so make sure to back up any content you might want later. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips on website management and design. See you in the next video.